Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you how I put together these 3 adorable Halloween decorations using items from Dollar Tree. They turned out so stinking cute, it's scary. Okay, for the first item you're going to need one of these cute vases from Dollar Tree, a can of white spray paint, as well as a bottle of black puffy paint. I got both of the paints at Walmart and it was under $5 for both. So to start, you're going to take it outside and spray paint the glass face white. After I let it dry for about an hour, I took it back inside, grabbed the puffy paint, and then I attempted to design out a spider web. I was a little intimidated by the puffy paint at first, but once I got the hang of it, it was actually kind of cool to use. Gave a lot of character. After I was done with the web, I attempted to draw a spider, but then I had a catastrophe happen and then I got paint everywhere. Thankfully, with the help of some rubbing alcohol and baby wipes, I was able to get it all off and start from scratch. And then I decided to use this black paint marker to draw on the legs of the spider. And then I used the rest of the puffy paint or some puffy paint to actually make the spider and the remaining web. Ta-da! It turned out cute. I was excited. Okay, for the mummy vase, I used 100% Dollar Tree products, including this cylinder vase, a package of rolled gauze, the googly eyes, and a tea light candle. I actually only used one of the 2 of these tea lights. So I apologize in advance. I opened the package of gauze and then I dropped the entire roll and it unraveled, so it looks a little messy, but I started by just gluing the first piece onto the vase, and then I just wrapped the gauze around, and I made sure to go all the way up the vase and just all the way down to the base of the vase again, just to give it a really full look. You'll notice that I folded in the ends just to give it a little bit of a cleaner look. Next, I used my thumb to kind of press apart a little section so that I could put the googly eyes in there. Then I positioned them where I wanted. And then I hot glued them in place. You also want to make sure that once you have them hot glued in place, you kind of mess around with the gauze just to kind of make it look a little more natural. Sorry, this eye was a total quitter, but it gave him character. Lastly, you just drop the tea light candle inside and you are done. I absolutely love him. Okay, for the final decor piece, you're going to use a can of pumpkin orange paint, a candle holder, and the remaining tea light from that package. I also used some vinyl that I had lying around. So to start this project, it's really simple. I just designed and cut out a jack-o'-lantern face to put on the pumpkin. I really wanted to kind of go for a more traditional jack-o'-lantern look, but you can do whatever you want. So I cut all these little pieces out, and then I just kind of played around and positioned them where I wanted them on the candle holder. So after I placed the face how I wanted it, I took it outside and I sprayed it orange. And then after the paint dried, I just simply came in, removed the vinyl with a dental tool that I used to remove my vinyl. That is what I use for weeding. You can use anything that has a sharp edge on it, honestly. You could even use a toothpick if you have that. It came off super simple. It was pretty effortless. And it turned out great. The vinyl just came off so cleanly, I loved it. And there you have it, super simple project. All you have to do now is pop a flameless candle or just a regular candle, tea light candle inside, and you are all set. So this is the final outcome. I think these were absolutely adorable. I was super proud that they came out so cute. And I hope that you feel inspired to make some cute little DIY decorations yourself. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will make more videos in the future. Thank you so much. Bye.